Hello, today you will learn about which of the following is not a function of an operating system? Which type of operating system is designed for systems with strict timing requirements, such as robotics and industrial automation? Which of the following is a primary objective of an operating system concerning process management? What is the main goal of memory management in an operating system? What is the primary purpose of file system management in an operating system? What is a key distinction between spooling and buffering in the context of operating systems? What is a notable advantage of spooling over buffering in operating systems? In the context of operating systems, what is the primary purpose of buffering? What is the primary purpose of the scheduler function in an operating system? Which function of the operating system is responsible for managing the distribution of system resources such as CPU time, memory space, and peripheral devices among various tasks? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for the next book.